What's up, guys? Welcome back to this channel once again. Kindly for watching me for the first time, please remember to subscribe, like, and also comment. So guys, in today's video is a very amazing video. It's a combination of video. It's about not all Caribbean people are from Jamaica, because so many people really confusing between Caribbean people and Jamaicans people. When you find other people from other Caribbean, when he or she introduce her or himself that I'm from Caribbean people, the first question is, are you Jamaican? So in today's video, people they have come out and really say why they are not all Caribbean people are Jamaica. So before I dive in, let's watch these videos until the end, then I'll come back with more comment.
This I have to talk about, because maybe my opinion out there, but me never irritate, so I just put it in other space. As a Jamaican, I really don't know of us being in any competition with any other Caribbean island. Various topics come up. We see a lot of things. Jamaica is not the only island in the Caribbean. I'm sick and tired of people thinking I'm Jamaican. It's not everyone that has an access from the Caribbean comes from Jamaica. This, that, and the next. I want to go on with myself. Instead of correcting people, I am not from Jamaica. This is where I'm from. That's it. It solves the issue, as opposed to putting it back on us, all of Jamaica and Jamaicans, as if we are trying to rob on our identity, or we are trying to colonize the whole Caribbean, and we want everybody to seem Jamaican. No, it's not we do that. It's not we do that. There are many islands in the Caribbean. For obvious reasons, Jamaica is one of the most popular ones. So everything is associated with our culture. It's not our fault. We can't give with a bird there like that and make it seem like it's something negative or something that we are pushing in the space. We know ourselves. So we know when something is not of us, and you're not going to see us calling us. You're not going to see us as Jamaicans calling something that is not Jamaican, Jamaican. We're just not going to do that. So why we get the blame for it? Educate people. It's as simple as that. It's one love. It's one Caribbean. You understand? A one story, scattered story, but a one story. So they need for Lego that shit way and fix up on a third process. You understand me? So we better together. It don't make no sense.
So to our first generation, like Chinese who living in England, just know we don't speak like Jamaicans. So he's nobody rascal, bum, clat, clat, clat. We don't talk like that. We talk like a wireless talk here. Alright? So we in Trinidad, we don't say, but what the rascal, we say, let's stinking dirty mother. We don't say that. At the end, that's how we discuss, right? And quite recently, well, just recently, we have a new thing that we see. Holland non see squirting, right? Just recently, that was just like about a couple of days ago, but that's not new, right? So she doesn't talk like a wireless talk, like how I talk in here, that's how we just talk. And then if it wants to, like, you know, who went to convent and who's from the West, you know, who say that they're there and they are, they speak like that, you know. But know the difference, please. Thank you.
All Caribbean people aren't Jamaicans. So I want to talk about this because it's actually been pressing on my mind. And I saw one of my Trinidadian content creators, Jay Lion, actually addressed it in one of his posts, right? But this is the same thing as saying you see Hispanic people and you automatically say, oh, look at that Mexican. All Spanish people are Mexicans, right? And they get offended by it, as they should be. Or you see an Asian person and you say, oh, look at that Chinese man, or he's Chinese. Again, all Asians aren't from China. Okay? Now, we absolutely love our Jamaican brothers and sisters, so this is not about the Jamaican folks. This is to educate the world, educate the public that when you see a Caribbean person or you hear us speak and you hear an accent, don't say, oh, you're Jamaican. No, just be like, where are you from? And then when I tell you where I'm from, and you don't know, just ask questions, inquire, ask, oh, where is that? Right? We can then tell you about our beautiful country and our beautiful islands. That's all. Because really and truly, we want to educate you. We want people to know where we're from. We want people to know about our countries. We want people to know about the islands. That's all. We don't want this back and forth or this big fight. None of that.
Hey guys, fun fact, I am not Jamaican. It's weird that I have to tell even my Jamaican clients that I am not Jamaican. I am 100% Dominican, okay? Commonwealth of Dominica, we speak Creole, we speak English. I am not Jamaican. Every Caribbean accent is not Jamaican, and it's very weird when I have to tell Caribbean people that I'm not Jamaican or I'm not Trini because my accent sounds nothing like a Jamaican or a Trini. Yes, I speak proper when I speak to people because it helps them understand me, and I don't like to repeat myself more than once. But don't get it twisted. I straight from Dominica. Pure Dominican, nothing else in me, well, except a little bit Antiguan. But I never live in Antigua, so I don't have an Antiguan accent. I am Dominican, and I rep 767.
Alright, so this is not directed to you. But why is it that every person who sounds like Caribbean, you guys always just automatically assume that we Jamaican? Like, Jamaica is not the whole Caribbean. That's one country. Like, I just don't understand. I don't sound Jamaican. Guyanese, I mean, I can understand you saying Guyanese, but like, still, no. I'm not even Guyanese. I am a Trinidadian, and if you don't know where that is, then I don't know what to help you. If you know Nicki Minaj and you know where she is, that's where I'm from.
So every time I open my mouth and talk, American person just think that I'm from Jamaica because of the accent. Like Guyanese people don't sound like Jamaicans. Any Caribbean person could tell the difference, but Americans just always think we sound the same. Like no, we don't. We don't sound the same.
Hey, ma'am, I'm a little lost. Hey, ma'am, I'm a little lost. Do you know where Building C is?
Building C?
Yeah.
Going to somebody? You from around here?
No, I'm just passing through town, but oh, hold on. I like your accent. Where you from? Is it Jamaica? You know, you sound just like my friends.
You have Jamaican friends?
Yeah, they sound just like you. Bumbleclot.
I sound like any fucking Jamaican to you? I really sound like a fucking Jamaican to you? You have Jamaican friends and you telling me I sound like a fucking Jamaican?
When they say bumbleclot, no? What does that mean?
Jamaica is the only island you know?
There's more?
This gotta be a prank.
Oh, Virgin Islands. Is that in Virginia? Virgin Islands. What's the Virgin Islands?
And your mother vagina. That's what it is. Your mother tukukun. That's what it is. You know that accent? Is that also Jamaican?
You guys sound pretty similar, man.
You are a dumb mother scunt. That's what you is. You are a dumb mother scunt.
What's a mother scunt? Is that something cool?
Yeah. It's something cool. Say I'm a scunt.
I'm a scunt.
You are indeed. You are
I'm
indeed.
gonna go around and tell my friends that.
Yep, you do that. Make sure you say low. Make sure you say with a lot of with your chest. Be like, I'm a scunt.
I'm a scunt.
Yeah. Now take your dumb mother scunt and you gonna go around the corner over there and Building C's over there. Have a good day.
Okay. You have a nice day, mother scunt.
Come let me talk to you for a
Huh?
second. Let me
Wait,
talk to you
huh?
for a second. Let me talk to you a second.
Hmm?
You don't tell me that. Okay?
I thought it was something good. You said it was something.
No, it's something good for you. It's something good for you. I say you are mother scunt. You the mother scunt, not me. You. Don't tell nobody that. Always claim it for yourself.
So only I'm the mother scunt, not you.
Yes. Not me.
Okay.
Now I need for you to come out of my fucking face. Get your mother scunt.
Okay, bumbleclot.
Hey, you know it's really mash up my cockset, but I mean gonna lie to you, it's getting me so vexed. I cannot stand being in a foreign country like Canada, and as soon as I talk to somebody in this beautiful accent, the first guess and always be the one guess is, are you Jamaican? Well, right now you're Jamaican me crazy because what the hell? You can't tell the difference between the sweet difference of Trinidad and Tobago and Jamaica? Come on. I know my Jamaican brothers and sisters will always be everywhere, but Jesus Christ, at least ask me, hey, buddy, where you from? Don't just say Jamaica. If you say Jamaica, I'm going to tell you about your mommy in the most Trinidad way I know how, and you're not going to like it. All right?
I'm a mixture of the two most superior Caribbean islands. I will die on this hill. I will. I absolutely will. You can't tell me the most goated island, Jamaica, Trinidad and Tobago. You're invalid. I can't take you serious. I can't take you serious. Yeah, superior. Jamaica, Trinidad, superior. I'm better than you. I'm better than you. To my Haitians, this does not apply to you. I am not better than you. Actually, when I said what I said, I was not including you in it, even though you are in the Caribbean and you are in Latin America. You guys are your own, like, so you guys are superior to basically everybody in the Caribbean, out of the Caribbean, which is why I couldn't count you. So please don't hurt me because I'm actually very scared. Please. I love pickles. Bye.
This is a public service announcement. So as most of you know and realize, I am abroad. I'm in a beautiful country right now. I'm not in the UK. And I'm sick and tired of people asking me if I'm in Jamaica. Is Jamaica the only Caribbean island you lot know? You lot need to pattern up and behave yourself. There's many other Caribbean islands. There's Trinidad and Tobago.
Yeah.
There's St. Lucia. There's Barbados. There's St. Vincent and the Grenadines. There's Grenada. There's other islands that I can't think of off the top of my head. There's Dominican Republic.
There's Haiti.
Jamaica's not the only Caribbean island, so the fact that most of you are just jumping to, are you in Jamaica? Are you in Jamaica? Are you in Jamaica? No, I'm in Grenada. Stop asking me.
Why don't you say, oh, by the way, where are you?
Yeah, or what country are you in? Why do you lot just assume Jamaica? Like, bruh.
And somebody please explain to me. And I don't want to hear from no Jamaicans. I don't want to hear it. And you over there, you better just hush because I don't want to hear nothing either. Why is it that as soon as you tell somebody you're from the Caribbean, they automatically assume, or this is a response then, oh yeah, I've been to Jamaica. Like what? Like y'all really think that Jamaica is the only Caribbean island that there is? Don't get me wrong. Technically, I'm like Jamaican by marriage, you know. It's but that's not the point in this. That's not the point here. Why is it that people always assume that if you're from the Caribbean, you're from Jamaica? Like, it's not the only Caribbean island. Anyways, all your updates. My husband said that Jamaica put themselves on the map. So I'm just going to let y'all deal with him in the comments because I don't really have the energy today.
For me, this is a bit shocking. Now, hear me out. Just listen to me. I ain't got nothing against the Jamaicans, but y'all listen to me. 95.5% of the patients would ask me, are you Jamaican? Are you Jamaican? Are you Jamaican? No auntie, no uncle, no ma'am, no sir. I am not a Jamaican. I'm a Guyanese to the bone. Guyanese. Yesterday it was so bad. A particular auntie asked me, are you Jamaican? No, I'm not Jamaican. Then she said, so where are you from? I said, I'm Guyanese. I'm from Guyana. She's like, oh, you're not a Guyanese. You sound Jamaican. I said, in my head, I'm like, auntie, push me out. So I said, no, I'm not a Jamaican. I'm Guyanese. She said, you sound Jamaican. Why are you lying? What?
On another note, I would respect it if Americans will stop asking me if I'm from Jamaica. There are more places in the Caribbean, and I do not think that I sound like them. Where are you from? Are you from the Caribbean? Which part? Sounds way more better than, are you Jamaican? Excuse? Nothing against them, but it's frustrating to hear that everywhere you go.
This just pissed me off today. So first of all, tell me you're not from here without telling me you're not from here. You might be a part of the Jamaican diaspora, but I have never in my life heard a Jamaican say to me that I'm less Jamaican because I'm white or white passing. Hate to be the one to break it to you, but our motto is out of many, one people, meaning we are many, but we're one. And two, if you went to school in Jamaica, you would know that all the Tainos, the native Jamaicans, were killed off by disease or by colonizers. So by your own metric, no one is Jamaican, apparently. Skin color has nothing to do with being native Jamaican. And also, you're saying that someone born in Jamaica can't call themselves Jamaican? What? And my ethnicity, I'm black, I'm white, I'm Arab, I'm Hispanic, I'm mix up. In Jamaica, them call me a mongrel, all right? I lived my whole life in Jamaica. All of my family is Jamaican, and basically you're asking me to deny the only culture that I know because of my skin color, which in my opinion is absolute trash. So I'll share a little bit of my experience being a white passing Jamaican in another country, and maybe you can understand how damaging comments like this really are. I went to America when I was 18. I went to college. So when I go to America, I get a lot of different things, and I can almost see when people meet me, I can see the cogs turning in their head. Where is she from? And it doesn't stop until I say I'm Jamaican, and then they're like, oh, huh. I really didn't like that my whole identity was just being narrowed down to this one facet. I actually had one friend who every time she would introduce me to someone, she'd be like, this is Miranda, you'll never guess where she's from. Go ahead, guess. And that made me feel so tokenized and so separate from everybody else. I actually had this guy who was apparently from New York, but his family was Jamaican. And he was like, so what is all the new dancehall you're listening to? So what is all X, Y, and Z? And I was like, oh, you know, actually, I haven't been listening to a lot of dancehall. Oh, you know, I don't really know how to cook. I don't cook Jamaican food. I don't cook, period. And he literally stopped talking to me. And the impression I got was that I wasn't Jamaican enough for him. You know? I wasn't Jamaican enough to be Jamaican, and I wasn't American enough to be American. And it's so frustrating. It really had me questioning my self-worth. Did I have nothing to bring to the table other than the fact that I'm Jamaican? I don't know. It really kind of fucked me up for a while. And I'm an actress. I work in an industry where I am constantly being judged on my looks and constantly trying to be fit into different molds. Every time there was a role for a Jamaican, I would be overlooked. In college, I tried out for a Jamaican in a play, and my Indian friend got the part rather than me. So I was just pissed right off. And I understand that I don't look like what a typical Jamaican might look like, but expanding other people's perceptions is way more important than fitting a mold. If you're watching this and feel very other and feel very separate, the only responsibility you have to yourself is to be happy and not to make anybody else happy and fit into any mold that they might want to thrust upon you, because honestly, it's not worth the effort and it's not worth the time. It's not. But I wanted to respond to this because I know how it felt to feel not enough for either place. So I would just invite you to think of the other person when you say shit like this, and think about what they've been through. Think about how you would feel if somebody said that you couldn't identify with the only culture that you knew because of your skin color. And you seem to care a lot about it. So I think it would hurt a lot, right? A lot of what he's saying is not spelling sense. So you need to just wheel and come again with that one, yeah? All right. Love you guys. Bye.
Y'all know my biggest pet peeve. Why is it that every time I speak and somebody has my accent, they automatically assume I'm Jamaican? Y'all do know Jamaica is not the only island, right? Seriously.
Yo, I'm about to cause unrest and upset in my comments, but I don't care. There are Caribbean people outside of Jamaica, Jamaicans. You guys get so aggravated when other people confuse you to be Jamaican. And you get vexed with us like is we do it. It's not our fault that they keep confusing y'all for us. I mean, if we're gonna be frank, we don't want them confusing y'all for us because y'all are not us. We run our jokes. You know, we say Jamaica is a Caribbean because we are. We say United States of Jamaica because... And the reason why is because, truthfully, whether or not you guys want to accept it deep down in your hearts, we are the gem of the Caribbean. For our contributions, do we have bad ones? Yes, but we have great ones, like legendary ones. a lot of you other islands have grown up on our culture, especially when it comes to our music. And that's quite okay. So when you step outside of your country and people hear you speak your own version of patois and confuse you to be a Jamaican, that is not our fault. Like, there's not one day that we sit under the mango tree and discuss you guys. I want to tell you, we are so indulged in ourselves. We're talking about our stuff. We're talking about our crimes, our music, our culture, everything. We're not talking about y'all. Not one day. Like, this one girl, me and her just went back and forth because she was so bitter. Like, girl, you name seriously, what's wrong with you? There are so many times people have mistaken me for being like Trini. Or mistaken me for being from, like, has said, oh, you sound like you're a Bajan. Or there's some people who said, oh, are you Dominican? I never get upset. I'm like, no, I'm Jamaican, and I just laugh it off. I don't get offended. What is there to be offended about? Aren't we supposed to be one Caribbean? Like, I'm all for that till you guys start trying to diss us. Then we'll diss you back. Don't you see people know what Barbados is now because of Rihanna? That's what that's what it is. We have legends that paved the way for Jamaica. That's why people know them. Get over it. Yes, I'm sure you want to be seen. You are your own island. You have beauty. All of those things are great. But naturally, because of our contributions and also being one of the bigger islands, we're going to get a certain amount of attention. Yeah, I just saw it go. Life is unfair like that. You know what I mean? Imagine like listing out everything bad about us. Some of you small islands with probably like 20,000 people on the island have so much to say about our poverty. Okay. Yeah, you probably don't have any. You have 20,000 people. Probably like 6 families that procreate. We have 2 million and change. Yes, we have poverty. Tell me about our crimes. Yeah, we have crime. Okay. In the spec of it being this terrible space, it's still one of the #1 visited islands in the Caribbean. So what's up? Imagine we have all that shit going on and tourists just still want to fuck with us. Get over it. Honestly, get over it. And stick me with it.
Hello guys, welcome back. I hope you have watched the full clip how really people are very angry being called Jamaicans, because sometimes it's so painful. Somebody who have his or her identity and somebody confusing you, calling you that you are a certain people. This is not, it's like an emotional. So most of people in Ireland and in Caribbean consists of so many islands. It's about around 30 countries and 30 countries. So in Caribbean we have the Trinidad and Tobago, we have the Barbados, we have the St. Lucia, we have also the Bahamas and so many other countries. And you'll find that those countries, they have their own leaders. When you go to Jamaica, you will find their own leaders. Those countries, they have own leaders. And for those countries, each and every country has its own identity, has its own culture, because Jamaica being has the rich culture across all over the world, but other Caribbean countries has such culture. Like when you go to Trinidad, you will find the culture there. When you go to Guyana, you will find the culture there. They really cook their own food, and their food also delicious. And even the musician, because Jamaica has been known through the reggae music and reggae roots. When you go to Bahamas and other, so Trinidad and other those islands, they also have their own musicians, and it's all about United Caribbean, and that's why Jamaica coming out and being the only country in island that's being mentioned. But we have so many other countries, and that's why so many people really feel angry when people, they confuse them that you are from Jamaica and that guy is maybe a Trinidad. And that's why you saw that lady are so angry being called a Jamaican, because when you just travel in each around the world, and when even you go to hotel and say that you know that Jamaica is normally, you recognize Jamaica through the confidence. Jamaicans are so many confidential people, and when they just talk about, oh, I'm from, when somebody asks he or her, are you from, where are you from? Then you answer that I am from Caribbean. Definitely the first question is, are you a Jamaicans? So many people really feel like their identity, their accents are being erased by Jamaicans, and that's why they have come out and say the truth that, guys, I'm the Guyanans, I'm not the Jamaicans, and that's why so many people are talking about Jamaica. And I witnessed somebody, he was a Trinidad and Tobago. He was looking for the assistance from other countries. He traveled when he got to immigration where he wanted to get a passport or a visa. When he introduced him, I'm from Caribbean. So many people confusing Caribbean and say that I'm from the Trinidad. So when he said Trinidad, somebody asked, where is Trinidad? And when you say Jamaicans, are really that guy really get help from those needs? So that's why so many people are really confusing between Jamaicans and Jamaica and Caribbean. Caribbean is just an island in North America, and Haiti and also in that island, and Jamaica is part of that island. I think it's the third largest island. That is the Jamaica. But Jamaica being that small, it also has the influence because of what they started. Because when you talk about the Marcus Garvey, those Bob Marley, music, food, they came out and really raised the flag of Jamaica high. That's why Jamaica is being known. And when, beside having track and field, we have also those countries, they also have the track and field. When you go to St. Lucia, you will find a sprinter called Alfred. That sprinter normally really sometimes he destroyed Jamaicans in track and field. So this is thus clear there that not all the Caribbean people are the Jamaicans, and that's why we have come out and really we want to clear this air, and people know that we have so many other Caribbean countries apart from Jamaicans. It's about accent, because you can't force somebody identity. It's true. I'm from Africa, and I'm from Africa in a certain country, so you cannot tell me that you are a Nigerian and I'm not from that country. No. Or you cannot tell me that I am in Ghana. I feel like I'll not feel well, and that's why I normally those other the Caribbean people really feel bad when they are being confused by the Jamaicans. It's not good. So if you are from the other countries, before, let's interact in comment section. Let's highlight your really culture that is really, maybe it has been erased by Jamaicans, because so I know that other those Caribbean countries, they have good cultures, but they have been erased by Jamaicans because Jamaicans coming out and being conquered them. So let's interact in comment section about how really your culture, your food, because I did a video about Jamaicans fighting with the Ghanaians about peace and rice and peas. Those are just some of the few things. And also we have the, like in Jamaica, we have track and field like the Sherika Jackson, Tia Clinton, and Usain Bolt, and so many others. Let's list them. In Jamaica, we have a Marcus Garvey, and we can also do them, but Marcus Garvey was in a global. We have the Pop Marley and also Popcorn who continue. So, and Shaz is from, I think is from Trinidad. That's how really these countries are having. Not all Caribbean people are from Jamaica. Thank you so much for watching me, and please remember to subscribe, remember to like, remember to share, and also comment. Thank you so much. See you next.